everybody, this is the video review for the Ivation 70 Pint Dehumidifier. So this is the dehumidifier. The humid air goes in through these vents and the water from it collects inside here. So this is the place where the water collects. This is the filter for the water. This filter needs to be cleaned at least once a month because the dirt will hang on to it. So on top are the controls. This is the on button. And the air comes from here. This is like a fan. And if you want, this is the smallest fan and this is the larger one. So now the air is more fast. This is the timer. And here, this is the temperature in the room and this is the humidity amount. So you can decrease the humidity. So on the back, there is this. So if you don't want the humidity's water to go into the collection place, you can put this wire. You can open it and put the wire like that, and you can put this, put the other end of this into your sink or somewhere so that the water will collect somewhere else. This is the user manual for this dehumidifier and it's very detailed. It also has pictures and diagrams. So this is the review of the Ivation 70 Pint Dehumidifier. Thank you. And at the bottom there are wheels. Also, so if you want to move it, you can.